App, the final frontier, aimed at the exploration of digital worlds in pursuit of ever new forms of development. EOS Solutions takes your business where no app has gone before. Discover the apps EOS has developed for Dynamics 365 Business Central, a universe of solutions for the digital transformation of your business.
Do you need to manage orders quickly and easily? Do you want to manage documents from Microsoft Dynamics Business Central in the cloud? Do you need to synchronize data between a parent company and several secondary companies? Do you want to manage the creation of product variants automatically? Do you need to plan the automatic maintenance of your systems? Would you like to speed up the calculation of your Salesforce commissions? Would you like to simplify management? Do you buy, produce, or sell products with dual units of measurement? What are you waiting for? Discover the EOS Solutions universe and go app your business.